Okay, so looking at question number 1, we have 2 overlapping circles, and it's telling us that each circle has a radius of 6 and intersects the center of the other circle. So basically what we now know is that C is the center of this circle on the right, and A is the center of that circle on the left. So what they want to know is the area of triangle ABC, which is not shown. So it's going to be here, here, and here. And what we know about triangle ABC is that AC is going to be 6. The reason why AC is 6 is because this is an edge of the circle on our right, and we know that C is our center, and we know that each of these circles has a radius of 6. So if that represents 6, what we now want to know is that since each of these circles is identical, what we have is an equilateral triangle. So all 3 of these sides are going to be 6. So now what we need to do is find the height. So if we drop down in altitude, we now have a triangle that looks like this. Our altitude makes a right angle and it bisects the base, so we have 3 and 3. And what we need to do is do our classic 30, 60, 90 triangle. If you didn't see that that was a 30, 60, 90, you could always do the Pythagorean theorem and do x squared plus 3 squared equals 6 squared. But if you saw it, you know that the side opposite the 30 is x, the side opposite the 90 is 2x, and the side opposite the 60 is x radical 3, which is 3 square root of 3. So now the area of that triangle is going to be base times height over 2. So the base is going to be 6. The height is going to be 3 square root 3, and we're going to divide that by 2. 6 times 3 gives us 18. Divided by 2, we end up with 9 square roots of 3 for our answer for question 1.